That is a 36-inch pizza that I can barely hold. It's literally 3 feet of pizza. It was delicious, and watch how it gets made. John Gristina, a world pizza champ, owner of Pizza Fenice in Pelham, New York, saw my request for a giant pizza on social media and DM'd me to ask when I could come eat it. So I put together a pizza super crew and we headed to Westchester County. He had to have this wooden pizza peel specially made, and it almost didn't fit in his oven, but John got it done. That is a pizza master, my friends. The only thing more awesome than watching John make this pizza art was actually getting to eat it. Typically, when you oversize a food item, it just can't be done right. This gigantessa margarita pizza on the hand was absolutely superb, and that's why John made us a second one.